In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the official website. From there, go ahead and sign in to your account so you can access your files and editing tools. After you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where you can manage your documents. Open the PDF you want to edit and wait for it to load fully so all the toolbar options are available. Once your document is open, the method you use will depend on which version of DocHub you have. If you're using the Pro version, the process is very straightforward. Look for the bullet list icon, which is located right beside the Edit Text tool. Clicking that icon lets you create bullet points more directly, which can save time if you're formatting a list inside your document. If you're using the basic version, you'll take a manual approach instead. In the top toolbar, click the Standard Text tool, which is the A icon. This tool allows you to place a text box anywhere in the PDF. After selecting it, click on the exact spot in the document where you want your list to begin. Try to place it carefully so your formatting lines up neatly with the rest of the content. Now you're ready to insert the bullet itself. On Windows, hold down the Alt key and type 0149 on your number pad, then release the Alt key. This will create a bullet character. It's important to use the number pad for this shortcut, since the number keys across the top of the keyboard usually won't work the same way for special characters. Once the bullet appears, you can type your first list item right after it. If you need more bullet points, simply repeat the same shortcut again each time you want to start a new item. Continue this process as needed until your list is complete. As a quick tip, take a moment to check spacing and alignment as you go, especially if you're building the list manually with the basic version. Small adjustments can make your final document look much cleaner and more professional. And that's how to add bullet points in DocHub, whether you're using the Pro version with the built-in bullet list icon or the basic version with the text tool and keyboard shortcut.